Imagine opening a website and it runs a whole video game, edits a photo, or plays music instantly, as smooth as an app installed on your phone. No waiting, no spinning circle, no lag at all. But websites are made of simple text instructions. So how can a website ever feel that fast? So here it is. WebAssembly, or Wasm for short, is a special language the browser can run at almost the same speed as a program on your computer. Think of your browser as a busy kitchen. Wasm is a stack of pre-cooked recipe cards the kitchen can heat up and serve right away. Now that we have our kitchen, meet the original chef, JavaScript. JavaScript is friendly and everywhere, but it works by reading each instruction out loud, one line at a time while cooking. That is wonderful for small dishes, but for a huge feast, reading every single step slows things down. Remember our line-by-line chef. When the job is small, it stays quick, but ask it to edit a huge photo or run a 3D game, and there are millions of steps to read aloud. The chef gets tired, the kitchen backs up, and the whole website starts to stutter and lag. So how do we help the kitchen? We pre-cook. Before the website ever opens, a tool called a compiler takes code written in languages like C++ or Rust and cooks it down into ready-to-heat Wasm cards. All the hard work happens early, not while you are waiting. These pre-cooked cards are special. A Wasm module is a compact bundle of simple numbers and commands the machine understands directly. It is small to download and already close to the language the computer speaks, so the browser barely has to translate anything at all. Now the browser takes over. When you visit the page, it grabs the Wasm module and runs it through a fast engine right inside the browser. Because the card is already cooked, there is almost no reading aloud. The dish is heated and served in a blink. So how fast is this really? For heavy tasks, Wasm can run many times quicker than reading instructions one by one, landing close to the speed of a program built right into your computer. Same browser, same page, just a much faster engine underneath. Here is the best part. That same pre-cooked card runs the same way on any modern browser, on a laptop, a phone, or a tablet. Developers write it once and it travels everywhere. No special app store, no separate versions for each device. Remember our compiler that pre-cooks code. It welcomes many languages. Programmers can use C++, Rust, Go, or others, then turn their work into Wasm cards for the web. Old, powerful programs can finally move into the browser without being rewritten from scratch. But Wasm does not replace our friendly chef. They are teammates. JavaScript still runs the menu, handles buttons, and talks to the page, while it hands the heavy lifting like math and graphics to Wasm. Together they make one smooth, fast meal. And you have likely met Wasm without knowing it. It powers browser video games, online photo and design tools, music and video editors, and even huge maps that scroll smoothly. All of it runs inside a normal web page, no download required. Now, letting powerful code run in your browser sounds risky, but Wasm runs inside a locked sandbox, like a playpen. It can only touch what the page allows and cannot secretly reach your files, so you get app-like speed while staying safe. Our little recipe card is dreaming big. Wasm is now moving beyond browsers into servers, tiny devices, and the cloud, running the same safe, fast code almost anywhere. The pre-cooked idea is quietly becoming one of the most useful tools in all of computing. We are almost at the full picture. So let us wrap up. WebAssembly is pre-cooked code that runs at near-native speed in the browser, made by a compiler from languages like C++ and Rust. It teams up with JavaScript, works safely everywhere, and even reaches beyond the web. Fast, portable, and safe. That is Wasm.